In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear friends and fellows in Pakistan and abroad, listen. The smartphone we are carrying, the laptop we are using, if at all we are using, smartphone is in the maximum number of people's pocket. Laptop again are possessed by so many of the people. So these devices of ours catch junk. Junk gets accumulated in these over the period of time. Sometimes not only the junk, rather the virus enters our device as well. Now there is a computerized system. There are hard and fast rules. Our devices has to obey, have to act accordingly because these are built for that. And a program has been set inside these. These devices of ours keep warning us that too much of the junk has been accumulated or the virus has entered your device. Now it is the time to cleanse it. Unlike this, we the human beings, we the human beings, we are not having one sort of program like one company's device and one model, one company and one model's device contain the same sort of software, the same sort of programming. It is not with us actually. We, the human being, we are far more complicated. We are far more intricate as compared to to our laptop, computer, PC, as compared to our smartphone. We are far more complicated. We are far more intricate. We are far more delicate actually. So not necessarily our system, it does tell us actually, but it is some most of the people they don't listen to the voices of their inside, and they don't pay heed to it actually. But maybe our system does warn us as well that there is too much of the junk inside our brain, in us, inside our mind, or there is too much of virus has entered, and now it is the time to cleanse it. The time to cleanse it. Now many of the people, or maybe all of the people, might ask that what is the cleansing of it? How can we cleanse it actually? First of all, how come we be able to know that a kind of too much of the junk has been accumulated in the mind, or a virus has entered in the mind? How to check it actually, and then what to do, how to get rid of the junk and the virus actually. Dear friends and fellows in Pakistan and abroad, I think so. If at all, our time to sleep, our time to wake up has changed, is not actually going well. We are unable to control our the time to sleep, our time to wake up, our time to say the prayers, our time to eat the right food at the right time, our ability to meet the right set of people and to spend our time with the right set of people. If at all of that has suffered, this actually mean, if at all these things are not going well like a lubricated machine, I think so, like a well oiled machine, I think so, then it is the time to get to get the tuning. We need to retune ourselves, and we need to cleanse our mind. This actually mean that too much of the junk has been accumulated into our mind, that a virus has entered into our mind as well, and now it is the time to cleanse it actually. It is the time to cleanse it. What sort of cleansing is it, and what sort of period should be observed? And look upon the tabligh, they people say that 3 days in a month are enough, that do come out of your place for 3 days in a month. They call it a seroza. It is okay, I think so, it is okay. And those people who are doing it, they are wise people actually, and they should continue doing it. And those the people like me who are not so regular in it, I think think we need to start it as well. We need to carry it on as well. But I'm not. This is not not actually the topic of today's discussion. What I wanted to say is actually something else, and that something is now I want to put forward another example. There is a Japanese scientist who has discovered that observing fast 30 days in a year, it actually kills the cancerous cells in a human body, and it is a very good, a very effective cure for the sake of cure, very good cure, very effective cure to the cancerous cells, to the cancers, and it can prevent or it can treat the cancer. The fasting can treat the cancer, I think so. And we too need another sort of cleansing. First of all, how to do that, and what is the way to judge actually. And I did, as I earlier told, as I earlier said, that if at all we are unable to sleep at a proper time, if at all we are unable to get a proper rest, and we are unable to get up in the morning at the right time, unable to carry on the things we are supposed to do, or if at all we are unable to meet the right people at the right time, I think so, if any of these are the symptoms actually. These are the symptoms that too much of the junk has been accumulated into our mind, that a virus has entered into our mind, and there is a dire need to get rid of it. There is a dire need to get rid of it. What to do then? What to do then? I think so. We need to self discipline ourselves, and there are certain exercises meant for developing the self control and the self system. We need to observe those, and what we need to do is that one by one we need to get rid of all the unnecessary habits which are consuming our time, which are consuming our energy, which are consuming the rest of the resources. So we need to get rid of it. And as far the other things are concerned which are very much harmful to us, I think we need to be very tough with these things. We need to be very tough with these things, and that is how we can get rid of all the junk, and that is how we can get rid of all the virus. And once we do get rid of the virus inside our mind, we do get rid of the bad habits, we do get rid of the unnecessary habits from, and I think so we will become very light human being, we will be very effective human being, our efficacy will go a lot more high. We will become a disease free person, and we will be very much healthy not only physically, rather healthy psychologically, emotionally, and spiritually as well. Thank you. Jazakallah.